one's ever had a bath. Okay. Now what's this? You're not easy. I know it's not going to be that bad. Oh, honey. It's not going to be that bad. Oh, okay. Try that really quick. We have to do this fast. Dump the tail. Let's just do it quick. This is the first bath we've ever had. Right here. It's not that bad.
Yeah,
it's not that bad.
Yeah.
See, we're not happy. I'm so sorry, Boodle Doodle.
It's okay.
Button Tutton. Hot Mashot. You're doing good. Ooh. See, you're going to be good. I know it. Good. Hold on to your baby. Mwah. We love our little ones. Yes, we do.
Boy.
We just love our babies.
Little Casey.
I know it. I know it's hard. It's hard. It's a hard day at the beach. Just a little water at the beach. Think of it like that. I know it, Hotshot. Okay, let's see if we can finish that one then. Got that? Now what? Shall we?
No, we just gotta get it rinsed.
Boo's gonna be terrible. Oh boy, I'm scared for him.
Boo's always terrible.
All right. What are we gonna do with Boo? What are we gonna do with Boo?
Good boy.
Oh, wait a minute.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, we finished. Okay.
You did good.
Booby, we're good. Oh,
Good first bath.
we're okay. We're good. Oh, now the sucker in the thumb. We're
Actually didn't do bad. Of a monkey getting a baby, having a baby have a bath. And it gave us some pointers to hold on to something. Yeah. Oh, what?
Oh, we're not sure about this. Boy, I'm scared about Boo.
Well, he's nothing new. It's always going to
No,
be crazy.
she's strong. Yeah, I know it. It's going to be
You
strong.
want me to hold her?
Yeah.
The face.
Isn't that the sweet? Oh. Reaching out to the camera.
What do
We
you
love our
think?
little one.
Yeah.
Okay, Boo. Or buttons. Buttons.
Okay, Buttons, you did good.
Oh.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
right.
You did good. Yeah, you're all clean. You smell good. But you got dry.
You're all right.
I think this one did pretty good.
You did great, considering. Considering we did great. Okay. Monkey number 2. Monkey number 3.
Yeah.
Buttons, don't tell Boo. Woo! Okay, don't tell Boo.
Okay. 2 down.
2 down.
One more to go.
Gotta get this done.
Let's see if we can get
The monkey's
If we can
aware.
get him to settle down a little bit.
The monkey's aware.
There you go. Good
Okay.
boo-boo.
Uh-oh, there's shit coming out of his rear. Hang on. Okay, Boo. There we go. Okay, I think we gotta just do this fast as we can. Come on, Boo. And just calm down. And do the shit that's coming out still. Hang on.
Boo.
We have a big
You're
shit.
okay.
Hang on.
Boo, you're okay. Come here.
You don't wanna
Come here.
wash the shit on her.
Come here.
I also shit if I'm in a worse situation.
I think so.
Boo.
It's normal.
Boo.
I know it, Boo. I know it. I know it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do this fast. We're going to do this so fast for my baby.
You're okay.
All right. It's going to be so fast. It's not going to be pleasant. Hold on. But have to get the middle, you think?
Well,
Okay, that's going to be enough. You don't have to do too much around you.
that's why if you had this and it's wet, it's got soap in it. Okay, now we'll go for it.
Move it. Ooh, got those ears. Got
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, just a minute. Whoa, that's not so bad.
That's not bad.
No.
Okay.
No. Okay, hang on. Towel.
Use that pink one right there.
Yeah. Okay, just a minute. Ooh, okay. What happened to our
See, if
monkey?
this thing's wet and you put it in the middle of their body, and we're doing it, then it's gonna get soap on
Oh,
it.
yeah, look here.
Want to get a bigger one for the bathtub.
Oh, okay, I
To
see.
have it.
Uh-huh, yeah. Maybe just one extra would be enough.
Right.
For the bag. I see. Bed. You're the baby. Mm-hmm. The worst of them. Yes, you are. Oh. Say hello. Say hi, York. I know it. Are you okay? Mm-hmm. Got it? Ooh. I know. Look at you guys.
You're so pretty.
Look at you guys. Yeah. You just
Lucy,
look
good
how
move.
they look so much better.
Well, we would love to be able to find a home for all three of them together. That would be the best.
They're getting hungry. Lucy's
Yeah.
going at her
Do some papaya.
thing.
Cut it up.
Mm.
So do we have much paper? This is it.
Boo boo. Hungry.
We have no paper.
No paper in there? Zero?
No, that's just my art. I just have a couple sheets of paint with paint on it.
Duggars. Well, that's a bintang, see. We'll go.
By the refrigerator, do you know?
I'll go look. Yeah, I'll look. Okay. I know, Lucy. Oh, good, Lucy. Oh. Okay.